호랭소 no goma-ae, a spinach salad, easy to prepare. Hokok means report. Lenrak means contact. Sodang means consult. Horengso. In elementary schools and in companies, your teacher or your boss remind you of heart and soul, but they never do the same to their boss, the heart and soul. I'm quitting my job. For seasoning, you just need 3 things: toasted and crushed sesame seeds, sugar, and soy sauce. Blend all that with horenso, which you already know means spinach. When I hear spinach in English, all I think of is Popeye. This is how you can incorporate gomaae into your dinner. Don't work hard to make good ramen. Don't work hard to make good ramen.